With these record high temps, Western Mass News has learned the air conditioning system at the Mission Care nursing home in Holyoke just can't keep up, leaving residents uncomfortable in this heat. Western Mass News reporter Kaylee Pugliese is getting answers on what facility leaders are doing to help the elderly patients.
About 90 degrees early Wednesday afternoon, and the air conditioning system can't quite keep up with keeping residents cool on the third floor of this facility, so they had to pull in some extra resources.
The air conditioning systems that we have, when it gets to this really high heat, above 90, above 95, up into the hundreds, struggles to keep up and get cold air all the way out to where all of the residents are in their rooms.
About 24 residents live on the third floor of the Mission Care nursing home in Holyoke, and they've been struggling to stay comfortable in this record-breaking heat wave. Western Mass News spoke with a woman whose mother lives there. She doesn't believe the fans are adequate enough for this heat, and she even noted her mom was sweating in her room. Fortunately, she says the staff is keeping her mother and other patients hydrated during this time. Western Mass News is getting answers on what's being done to help. David Skozlik, spokesperson for Eye Care Health Network, which owns Mission Care in Holyoke, says the staff is making extra rounds to check in on patients.
A lot of it with nursing home residents is making sure that they're not, staying in their rooms, that they're not, under blankets and covers. It's basically just checking in on all the individual residents, making sure they're in a comfortable space, that they have enough to stay hydrated.
They've added personal fans and portable AC units throughout the floor. They're also moving patients to common areas that are cooler, such as the solariums and the auditorium for recreational activities like bingo and movies.
Obviously, the temperature drops a bit at night, but it's, as we're experiencing probably in our own homes, it's not, super comfortable even at, the middle of the night.
He says looking ahead, more will be done to address the issue.
Looks like it's going to cool off a little bit in the next couple of days, but, we have a lot of summer left in front of us. So we, we'll continue to figure out what kind of short-term and long-term mechanisms we need to have in place to keep these residents comfortable.
Kaylee Pugliese, Western Mass News.